Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize boards on Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details, and sign in into your Pinterest account. Now, you can see on the screen there are options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox, and Saved. Go to Saved. Now there you can see two options, pins and boards. You have to select boards, then select the board that you want to organize. I'm going to select this one. Now on the screen on the bottom, you can see options like Organize, Add more ideas, and colors. You have to select Organize. Then you can simply rearrange the orders by dragging the pins, or you can simply select them and add a section or delete any pin. And guys, that's it. That's how you organize boards on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.